Yep, sanibonani guys, sanibonani. As you know me, I'm not biased bafethu, but lena yi-matter ezama-South African efanele ngabe siyibheka ngelihlo elinye le. Nangu umjida lana uCampbell bekadlalela i-SuperSport, udlalela iClub Brugge manje. Faneke ayodlala i-World Cup bafethu yama-under 20. Yes. Asikhulumi nge-AFCON, asikhuluma nge-World Cup, i-lifetime experience yama-under 20. Apparently or alleged iClub Brugge ayifuni ukumrelease. Ithatha le World Cup as if something nyana nje, it's not important. It's not important kuClub Brugge, it's important for lo mjida ukuthi abe nani ne-experience ye-World Cup as under 20. Le nto azange bayenza kuLeon Messi adlalele iBarcelona. You can check. uLeo Messi makadlalele iBarcelona uwine ini? I-under 20 World Cup. Yes. Azange bamvalele kuBarcelona ukuthi hhayi thina sifuna ukuwina i-Champions League lana dlala bayazi part of ini experience yakhe yokudlala i-football. And lana I think ba-undermine i-South African football la. It's been happening. Cala uRibeiro sekulandela nabo abanye la beClub Brugge abafuna ukurelease umfana azonceda i-national team. Asikhulumi ngokuthi uzodlalela i-team yala eSouth Africa. I-national team le under 20 and i-World Cup akusiyo i-AFCON. As ama-football fan faneke sifakeni i-pressure kuphi kuClub Brugge le i-release umfana. Ayikho indaba yabo le. At the end of the day bazothi umfana futhi bawugcine bamrelease la. Bamrelease njengamanye ama-player. Bawathenga as if mawaceda bathi akafithi. Imagine bathi akafithi ngaphuma World Cup. Bathi akafithi kule system yalo coach. Faneke athole i-experience bamsende ku-national division yale Belgium. Bayenzile kuPercy Tau bamthembisa amanga bathi bazomsayina bamsayinanga bagcine bamlaxaza. Bathi akafithi kule system yabo. Hhayi, faneke abuye azosinceda umfana une-quality ku-World Cup siyayidinga. Akabuye, akabuye.